Who's ready for an easy 10-minute glam holiday look? I am. Because between the grandbabies, holiday parties, shopping, gift wrapping, who has time for a 45-minute makeup routine? I mean, I don't on any given day, but definitely not during the holidays. That's why I'm obsessed with Merit, and I'm so pleased to partner with them today because it's quick, clean beauty that makes you look polished in 10 minutes flat. And right now, you can shop their only sale of the year early with my code and save 20% off site-wide. And everything is linked down below, ladies, in the description box, because I know you love Merit as much as I do. But wait, the limited edition blotting paper case, I love this. It ships free on every order during the sale. It's gorgeous, it's practical, it's chic, and it's only here while supplies last. So let's get right into that tutorial with all the products that I'm using and loving for my holiday look from Merit. And I'll show you exactly why I reach for Merit time and time again. We're starting with Merit's Tinted Mineral Sunscreen. It evens things out, gives you that soft focus finish, and yes, SPF even in December. Trust me. Next, I'm priming like I actually slept 8 hours. MAC Paint Pot on the lids for grip, and Laura Geller Spackle Primer everywhere else to smooth things out. Already looking fresher. Now for the base, Merit's Day Glow. I swipe it where I need it and blend it in with a Merit foundation brush. No fuss, no heavy foundation moment. Add life back in with Merit Flush Balm and Cheeky. Tap it high on the cheeks for that I just stepped out from the cold holiday glow. Then warm things up with Merit Bronzer and Clay. Light definition around the cheeks, jawline, and temples. Let's give the eyes some love. I start with Merit Cream Eyeshadow and Palladium as the base. One and done shimmer. Then, sartorial in the crease for a little depth. Blend with the Merit eyeshadow brush so it looks intentional, even if you did it in the car. A quick line with Pixie's black eyeliner. Nothing dramatic, just enough to define. Curl those lashes, hit them with Subversion Lash Primer, and finish with Merit Mascara. Boom! Holiday-ready eyes. Brows frame the face, so I sweep through with Benefit's Precisely My Brow Wax. Easy lift, easy shape. For lips, I go in with Merit Sunday Lipstick. Then top it with Merit Lip Oil for that soft, glossy finish without the stickiness. And that's it. A beautiful, simple holiday makeup look in under 10 minutes. Festive without trying too hard, which is my love language. All right, Grit and Glam Club. This is your reminder to shop early. Use my code to save 20% before midnight on November 23rd. After that, the discount will auto-apply at checkout. So jump in now if you want first pick of all of their products and all of the shades that I shared with you today. And don't forget, That limited edition blotting paper case ships free with every order until the sale ends while supplies last. It's just the chicest little holiday bonus. And ladies, everything is linked down below in the description box and in the pinned comment. So go ahead and treat yourself or someone you love, your daughter, your granddaughter, your daughters-in-law, before the rush hits. And a big thank you to Merit for this sponsored post. And thank you, my Gert and Glamours, for supporting the brands that allow me to bring you fresh ideas. Of course, leave a comment down below on why you love Merit, what's going on during your holiday shopping season, and hit the like, subscribe, and share button. It so helps the channel grow. And I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.